Hail, planet Earth, such a beautiful place. This is my ovation for being such a beautiful home, with all these marvelous places, beautiful colors, and the way you recycle. We should take note of how you recycle. Everything goes to benefit everything. Nothing goes to waste. Nothing hurts anything. From coast to coast, from mountains to deserts, to underwater, to the incredible sights that you bless us and the whole creatures of this planet. I pray for all humans to learn how you look after your jungles, I pray for how you keep the crops satisfied, how everything flows like a river and gives life to all creatures without hurting, and gives us the energy to keep on living, and the wind of love to keep on blowing.